Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to start React.js car tutorial with Node.js plus MySQL part 1. Part 1 because in this I will tell you how to add user via React.js, Node.js to our MySQL backend. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest React.js, Node.js plus MySQL's updates. So friends, here we go. So friends, on my screen you can see React.js is working fine with form and validation. So friends, here you can see add user form with two fields, username and email address. And friends, I must say these fields are fully validate. Now I'm going to show you validations. Submit. See friends, please input your username and please input your email address. So friends, now I will add new user. So friends, here you can see one more email address check. See friends, I am entering wrong email format. And now I will add correct new at gmail.com. See friends, validation gone and my form is ready for submit. And friends, I must say I will share the code snippet link inside this video tutorial. Then please get the code. And friends, in my part 2, I will send this form information to Node.js backend, and then we will save data into our MySQL database. So friends, this is it. And friends, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.